love you. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, see you.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello, paring Romy. This is your paring Leandro from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I just want to greet you the 70th birthday at I wish you more. At sa piling na iyong pamilya, sana ay palagi kang masaya at kontento sa buhay at nag-i-enjoy ng retirement. Natutuwa ako sa mahaba nating friendship at nandyan ka at nandito ako at patuloy tayong nagko-communicate. Maraming sa lahat pare sa iyong kabutihan nagsasama pa tayo dyan sa Abu Dhabi. And most of all, sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay, marami pang birthdays, masayang pamilya, healthy body, financially and spiritually accomplished. Once again, pare, I wish you happy birthday. At sa pagkakataong ito, hayaan mong batiin kita sa pamamagitan ng pag-awit ng iyong birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, pare koy. God bless.
Hello paring Romy, warm greetings mula dito sa sunny Southern California. Today, we are so happy to celebrate with you your birthday, your 70th birthday even from afar. Ang 70 years ay isang napakagandang blessing at puno ng alaala at karunungan. You are truly an inspiration to your family and friends at thankful ako sa friendship natin at sa joy na ibinigay mo sa lahat ng tao na kapaligid sa iyo. We pray that this new chapter of your life will be filled with good health, peace, and happiness. Kahit hindi kami ni Julie maka-attend ng gathering mo ngayon, we are with you in spirit. Sending love and prayers from us to you, kay Mare, and to your kids. Once again, happy 70th birthday.
Hello pare. Greetings from Baguio. Happy 70th birthday. Alam mo pare, this reminds me. Minsan kami ng mare mo nasa senior citizens office. May nakalagay na sayings dun sa wall. Ang ganda ng sayings na yon. Sabi, do not be sorry that you are of senior age. It is a privilege not granted to many. Indeed pare, we should be grateful that the Lord has given us this privilege of enjoying more years with our family. Pare, as you celebrate your 70th birthday, I recall the days we had with Bobot during our college days. Noon parang kami ni Bobot yung medyo serious type at ikaw naman yung medyo happy-go-lucky. Pero look at you now. You have accomplished so much. You have worked your way up in your job and in your career. You have provided so much for your children, not only for their basic educational needs, but even a lot more. And you're able to provide yourself and Marintina a comfortable and carefree retirement life. Even in your neighborhood pare, pag naglalaro ka na sa tennis club, alam ko medyo alanganin na yung mga nasa isip ng mga kalaro mo dahil alam nila eto na naman si Romy na magaling manalo. So even at this age pare, you don't look like 70 physically. You are strong. In closing, I am reminded of the letter of St. Paul to Timothy in chapter 4 verse 7. I have fought the good fight, I have finished the race, I have kept the faith. Truly, pare, you are blessed because you have kept the faith. Continue keeping the faith, and the Lord will always bless you. Again, happy 70th birthday. Congratulations.
Hello, paring Romy. Happy 60th, 70th birthday mo. Pareho na tayong 70 because we are both born 1955. Naalala ko noong estudyante pa tayo na nililigawan ako ni Rodel, tapos barkada mo pa si paring Bubot. Napakasipag niyong mag-aral sometimes. Pero truly masipag kayong mag-aral, lalo sa gabi nakikita ko na nag-overnight kayo at ginagawa niyo yung mga assignments para the following day isasubmit nyo. Ang building mo, pare, is in the School of Engineering. Ako malapit lang sa School of Accountancy. Kaya minsan nakikita tayo, minsan hindi. Gusto ko lang dagdagan yung sinabi ni paring Rodel mo kanina. Eto, may kodiko na ako. Yung letter to Timothy na verse 8, ang sabi ay, "Now there is in store for me the crown of righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, will award me on that day." Kaya ka binibigyan ni Lord ng maraming biyaya kasi you always choose the righteous path. Happy birthday, paring Romy! And best regards to Maring Tina and the kids. At sa mga apo kung meron, I'll see you soon. Umuulan na. Bye!
Happy birthday, pare.
Happy birthday!
Mukhang marami kang blessings.
Oh, maraming blessing. Tingnan mo. Bye!
Happy birthday, Daddy!
G.
G. Happy birthday, Daddy G!
Happy birthday, Daddy G. Hello, Daddy. Happy 70th birthday. I may not say this to you every day, but I just want to let you know that we love you so much and we do appreciate you. Now that you're 70 years old, you're not getting any younger. I just want you to be happy and have a stress-free life. I know you're just looking after us, but rest assured we're all adults and we can do it. We can manage, and we still need you for support, but do not stress yourself too much. And we just want good health for you, and just live peacefully, enjoy your hobbies and all of that. Again, happy birthday and love you.